How to repost a TikTok video. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. If you want to repost a reel from here, then tap on the share icon on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Tap on Repost. You have now successfully reposted this reel on TikTok. Now tap on the edit icon as shown. Here, tap on Say Something. You can now write something in the text box to add it to your repost. After you're done, tap on Add. Following these steps, you can easily repost a TikTok video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.